Today I will be making Cambodian Machu Kreung Pokoy. Start by cutting the lemongrass. Slice it thinly. Gonna slice my galangal. Okay, this is my kaffir lime zest, so I'm just gonna cut into small pieces too. Slice our kaffir lime leaf. Just shred them. And next we're just gonna cut our shallot. Cut our red pepper. I'm gonna blend my kreung. So when you blend this about 3 minutes. Now, garlic. And then we can add in the chili pepper. And then we're gonna add in the turmeric powder. Okay, so my lemongrass paste is done. So I'm just gonna put in a bowl. We're not gonna use all of this. For the extra lemongrass paste, you're just gonna, put in a Ziploc and you can freeze this. The one about 6 cups total. You're also going to need some curry leaf. Pull it like this. Okay, right now I am toasting my curry leaf. I have fuzzy melon, celery, and some eggplant. I'm gonna peel and cut our fuzzy melon. Then just put them all together like this. Okay, for my meat, I'm going to use beef neck bone, beef honeycombn, beef flank, and beef liver. Probably want to cut about this side. First, we're gonna stir fry our kreung. Okay, we're gonna add in the beef neck bone. And then we're gonna add in the beef flank. And beef liver. We're gonna add in a honeycombn. Fish sauce. Chicken bouillon. Salt is Prohok, fermented fish, and 1 tamarind soup mix. Mix all this up so all the ingredients combine together. Okay, then I'm just gonna cover this. So see how there's water in here? So we're gonna cook this meat until the water kind of evaporates. I did not add any water in here. This is the water that comes from the meat. So we're gonna let it cook. Once the water evaporated, we're gonna add in our toasted curry leaf. Okay. And then we're gonna add in our water. Then we're gonna cover this and cook until the meat becomes tender. Your soup come to a boil, we can add in this tamarind paste. If you don't have it, you can substitute it with lemon juice, okay? This is just to give it an extra sour. When the meat is tender, we're gonna add in our vegetable. Gonna stir this up. Cover this and let the vegetable cook. Okay, look at that. Look good over here. Nice color. This is the beef liver. You would have to give this recipe a try. It's very good.